This is our Lewis RDB Dirtball tarps. They're available in 6x6, 7x7, 8x8, 10x10, and 12x12. They're constructed of heavy-duty material, 18-ounce vinyl-coated material. Also, they're available 22-ounce. They have 2-inch nylon 9,800-pound webbing all the way around the perimeter and on the sides for lifting eyes. They have a 1,000-pound workload. Okay, we have standard 18-inch loops with the same 2-inch heavy-duty material. Also, the corners are reinforced double layer material and sewn double stitched also. This is our V-notch tarp. It's constructed the same as the Dirtball tarps, has the same 1,000-pound workload. The V-notch tarps are all constructed with 22-ounce material. The V is made to go around a pole as they're augering to where they can just lay the dirt over on the side. This is an 8x8. That's the standard size. Custom sizes are available. The material is heat seam welded together for strength and waterproof. Also has double stitching all the way around.
Hello, my name's Andy Lewis, president of Lewis Manufacturing Company located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. We are a fourth-generation family business started in 1936. We manufacture quality American-made pulling grips, swivels, and canvas products for the utility industry. Thank you for visiting our virtual trade show. This trade show is set up to further the education of our customers and end users with the aspects of all of our products. We have a series of videos set up in a trade show format with our booth set up as we would in any regular trade show. Thank you very much.